like everything is new. The sunburst flowers calling on warm days overdue. But I like everything is new. The sunburst flowers calling on warm days overdue.
Hi. Sorry. I'm just feeling myself today because look at my skin. I haven't even bathed. Okay, and decided to not gaze. Literally, I woke up like this. And that's my biggest flex today. I'm sorry guys, but when I feel myself, I don't know how to act right. But hey there, everybody. Welcome back to yet another Chihera vlog. If you are not subscribed to the channel, if you are not a part of Potato Nation, what do you think you're doing? I'm judging you. I'm judging you because why? But if this is your first time stumbling upon me, the channel, and the vibes, and the whole mess that makes this thing works, be sure to subscribe because you don't want to miss out on the things that are happening. You guys, I feel like I'm getting more confident with vlogging now. It's taken quite a few months. It's taken months, but I'm actually starting to feel a bit more confident. Not like there yet, but a bit more confident vlogging because scary. But anyway, so today I'm actually going to be doing my hair. I've had my afro out for a few days. I'm not keeping it out for much longer just because I can't be bothered these days. I can't be bothered. I just took it out to wash it. I did a hair mask yesterday, washed it, and yeah. So that's what comes around. And yeah, people are always complaining what comes around and I never tell you guys, I never show you guys, blah blah blah. It's because I'm lazy. Literally, that's the only reason why. And at this point, it's a lifestyle. But I will try my best today to vlog bits and pieces of me doing my hair. Yeah, I don't know how long this vlog is going to be. It might be today, it might be a whole week. Who knows? We're just gonna go with the flow. But let's get to it. I will catch you guys. But yo, wait. So, okay. I'll catch you guys in a bit.
2,000 years later.
Morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning. Hi, Jessie.
Hi.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
What do you want to eat?
Supper.
Supper is for nighttime, Papa.
Outside, right outside.
Huh?
Right outside.
You want to eat rice outside?
Yeah.
I'm just going to make pancakes, okay?
Pancakes?
You don't want pancakes?
I love pancakes.
You love pancakes. I know you love pancakes, babe. My swings, aye. My swings, aye. But you want to play on the laundry bowl. The swing is up, so. Hi, Skippy. Hello, baby girl. You wanna say hi to Skippy? Say hi. Hi, bud. You wanna be on camera too? You wanna do a stunt for mommy? Show mommy. You have to put your toy down and then. Oh, that's what you mean. The swing is up. Someone turned it. Who would do that? Amy, but why? Okay, now try. Wait, Manu. Stand for mommy.
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
1,
Whoa!
2,
What?
3,
Insane, bro.
4,
What? Can we get to 5?
2,
Oh,
5,
look at you. Go.
7,
2. Good job.
3,
Oh, now you're starting from Manu's count? Okay, I'm going in the house to make breakfast, okay?
4.
I'm going in the house to make breakfast, okay? Love you.
There's not much to do when all I can
is thinking about you, not doing well. Don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night.
Good morning, guys. Oh yeah, by the way, I finished doing my hair. I ended up doing my hair yesterday, not Monday, because Monday I just got lazy. But I'm curling the ends right now, so I guess I'll show you guys as I uncurl them, because I really forgot to vlog whilst I was doing my hair, I swear. But anyway, today's Wednesday morning and I'm having breakfast outside just because why not? Oh, why not? I feel like I need some sunlight. I need something to make me feel good today, so I'm starting my day with breakfast outside. I'm just having I've got pancakes and some breakfast potatoes and some mazoe because I didn't want to have tea. So yeah.
Love to hear your voice, not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and
So I need to take these out because I want to film a video today. So you feel me? I hope it actually curled, because if it didn't, cutie! I actually genuinely thought like a few of them weren't gonna curl properly because I don't know. My boyfriend came to see me, Nizuro Mane, and like he's like a child. Like it's like Jesse is better behaved. So it's like he kept poking at them. So now I'm scared to be the ones at the back. Not gonna be curled properly, but it is what it is because I have to film a video today because it's supposed to go up tomorrow. So today is literally the last day I can film it if I still want to edit it and put it up. So I'm just gonna have to make do with what I have. But I think they actually did end up curling quite nicely. Yeah. I put these in like last night and I'm taking them off now. Oh, this is cute. Who are you? Sis. Okay. Hey guys, it's a bit later in the day. I'm about to film an assumption tag, which is why probably the lighting is looking a bit, because I've got my ring light on right now. But I just want to show you guys my lashes. I'm obsessed. Like, I have not stopped raving about these lashes since the time I got them. I bought them on Saturday from Butterfly Effect. These were like one of the last two styles that were left from the Christmas collection. I got both styles. This is New Year, New Me, and then I also have Naughty. But just check. I don't even have like eyeshadow on or anything, just the lashes. But they do the absolute most. Anyway, let me get to filming my video now so I can edit it today. That should be up tomorrow. So before you see this vlog, you would have seen that video. If you've not seen my assumption tag, make sure to check that out when you're done watching this vlog. But yeah, I think for today, this is it. I will catch you guys tomorrow.
if I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters. that's all I wanna do.
Hi guys, I'm back in my favorite place again amongst the trees and the birds. Yeah, just wanted to get out of the house really, and now I'm just sitting by this little park bench on my own, just really because I don't know, kind of just wanted to sit outside and look at nature and just kind of be, calm and zen. Yo, I just feel like this week has been a lot for me. And anyway, I look cute. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm looking cute. Yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Oh, today's Independence Day, by the way. So happy Independence Day, Zimbabwe.
I hope that you're safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you